Hi, Goodieco. Taylor. I have been using the ageless skincare routine for about 3 days. Within this 3 days, I have woken up with the most beautiful, refreshed skin, and I'm so thankful and I'm glad that I clicked the email that I got, and I'm glad that I kept it in my browser for like 3 months and finally invested because it was worth it. And I am 26 years old, and when I tell people that, they're blown away. But I can tell you that I know from this space for 26 years that there are some aging things beginning to happen. With this routine, I have already seen a fight back against 5 lines right here. Like you can, like it just like most beautiful, glowing. See, I've got some stuff on here. I haven't seen there yet, but I continue that I will be 100% satisfied because just in the 3 days, I mean, my forehead is like, it looks like I had a facelift overnight. It's crazy. I'm so thankful. And I was reluctant to be involved in oil cleansing at first. I mean, just with the same reasons that everyone usually says. It doesn't really sound clean. Is my face actually getting all the nutrients it needs without just being like a huge, blobbing, oily mess? And I can say that I 100% transferring to oil cleansing and night. I just have the night routine now. I cannot wait to dive in, get that morning routine, try those red you guys have. I really want the eye as well, the neck and declar oil. Like I cannot wait to have an entire bathroom filled with all things Goodieco. I mean, 3 days, 3 days, and I look like a glowing goddess. I mean, really, I get complimented every time I leave my house. So thank you guys for sending me the email and never giving up on me and keeping those ads coming because I'm sold, 100% sold, and I'm so thankful because this really transformed my skin and I feel beautiful every day.